Salt-free is not a water softener, it is a scale preventer. The difference between a salt-based water softener and a salt-free water conditioning system is the salt-based system uses salt to regenerate the resin inside the main filtration tank. And we use a crosslink, 10% crosslink resin, and the softening system completely removes hardness from the water, whereas the salt-free conditioner, basically as water passes through the media, it changes the structure of the media. It turns the dissolved hardness into a microscopic crystal that can't attach itself to the plumbing and water using appliances. And remember, the salt-based system removes hardness completely from the water and gives you good soft water throughout the entire house, eliminating any scale buildup in your plumbing and your water using appliances. We had a customer that bought a salt-free conditioner from another company and was told it was going to soften the water as well as not have to use salt or backwash, which is not true. A lot of companies will claim that the salt-free conditioners like this one softens the water. It does not soften the water. It just changes the structure of the hardness so it can't attach itself to the plumbing and water using appliances. The hardness is still in the water. Salt-free systems, again, do not soften the water. They actually convert the dissolved hardness in the water into a microscopic crystal that can't attach itself to the plumbing and water using appliances. The media inside the tank has to be replaced every 3 years. It's extremely expensive. You have to take the unit outside, dump it out, clean it out, sanitize it, and rebed it with new Filtersorb SP3. People ask me, does a salt-free conditioner work for well water? And yeah, it can work for well water, but you have to have the pH neutral and you have to be iron-free, manganese-free. There's nothing can be interfering with the process that the salt-free conditioner goes through to convert dissolved hardness to a microscopic crystal. Now here's the drawback about a salt-free conditioner. When you get to a hardness level of 25 grains per gallon, it's worthless. And that's where you should always use a regular salt-based water softener. As far as maintenance goes, salt-free compared to salt-based, the salt-based system, the media inside the main filtration tank, probably will never have to be replaced. It has an infinite life. All you have to do is once a month add some salt to the salt tank and you're good to go. Whereas with the salt-free system, every 3 years, you have to completely clean out the unit, rebed it with new Filtersorb SP3, and it's extremely expensive. People ask me, oh, I don't know about a salt-based system. It puts sodium in the water. I have high blood pressure and I'm on medication, all that good stuff. No, it doesn't put salt in the water. It uses salt to regenerate the resin beads. Then it rinses all the salt solution out and sends it down your wastewater drain. So basically, me personally, I've had a salt-based system for 32 years. I just had a physical and my blood work was 100% perfect and I'm 63 years old. So no, it doesn't really add salt to the water, and based on analysis and testing they've done, it adds about as much salt to a gallon of water as you get out of 2 slices of white bread. I never really recommend a salt-free system to customers. I always tell them that if you want complete removal of hard water and the benefits of soft water in your house, a salt-based system is the way to go. But if they're actually 100%, no, I can't have a salt-based system, I don't want to deal with that, I don't want to hump salt, then yeah, we'll sell them a salt-based or a salt-free conditioner. After 32 years of being in the industry, I've tried the salt-free system and I've had the salt-based system, and I didn't keep the salt-free system very long. I like the way soft water feels when I take a shower. I like the way the laundry comes out, and I like the fact that I don't get scale buildup in the tub in the shower that we use most often. So for the majority of the time I've been in the industry, I've used a salt-based water system. So if you have questions or you have a water analysis you want me to help you with, you can contact us at 800-460-5810, or you can text me directly at 443-277-2204, Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. by text and 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. by phone.